Welcome to today's Explainer. If you've been navigating the wild world of digital finance and Web3 lately, you've definitely run into ecosystems making massive, bold promises about the future of money, security, and developer tools. Well, today we're going to objectively break down one of these platforms, Babe Finance. We're looking directly at their stated claims, their roadmaps, and their marketing to really unpack the anatomy of their Web3 promise.
Here's how we're breaking it down today. First, welcome to Babe World. Then, we'll check out their AI security engine, followed by web apps and cloud mining, global metrics and scale, and finally, the future AV blockchain. Let's get right into it.
Part 1. Welcome to Babe World, redefining financial freedom.
So, looking at their origins, Babe Finance hit the scene back in 2021. According to their own site, they were built by a young and dynamic team aiming to bring some much-needed simplicity and innovation to the crypto space. Right now, they're intensely focused on launching an AI-driven ecosystem and what they call Babe mini web apps. But they're already teasing something bigger, a proprietary AVE blockchain launching soon.
They're absolutely going for that classic, massive Web3 pitch. They literally call themselves your gateway to the future of finance. The language they use is entirely focused on empowering you to take control of your financial journey with confidence and ease. It's all about moving away from those traditional gatekeepers and handing the keys over to a modernized, user-centric ecosystem.
All right, shifting gears to Section 2, the AI security engine, powered by Veronica.
Now, this is where things get pretty interesting. They aren't just saying they have a secure server, they heavily promote their Babe Advanced AI. They claim this is a state-of-the-art system offering continuous monitoring, real-time threat detection, and proactive defense mechanisms. Basically, they want you to know they use advanced encryption and real-time analytics to guard your transactions with unmatched precision. It's pitched as a highly intelligent, automated guard dog watching your digital vault 24/7.
And they actually take this a fascinating step further by giving the AI a persona. Meet Veronica. She acts as the voice of their security guarantee, personally promising top-tier protection for every user. By giving the AI a name and a voice, Babe Finance is clearly trying to build a relatable, humanized bridge of trust between their highly complex back-end tech and the everyday user.
Which brings us to Section 3, web apps and cloud mining, tangible tools for users and developers.
Stepping past the security layer, let's look at the actual products they offer to interact with their ecosystem. To provide some social proof, their site highlights a testimonial from an entrepreneur, Jane Doe. She praises the Babe mini web apps, calling them a total game changer. She points out how seamlessly the platform let her integrate Babe payments, meaning she could instantly start generating revenue from in-app transactions.
And really, that right there illustrates their main pitch to builders. They aren't just looking for passive investors here. They're offering a totally frictionless way to monetize applications in Web3. We're talking seamless integration, insanely easy payment processing, and immediate revenue generation. It is a direct pitch for creators to come build the future of finance Web3 directly on top of their infrastructure.
But hey, what if you're an everyday crypto enthusiast, not a developer? Well, for them, the platform promotes Babecoin free mining. They market this as a feature that will make your crypto experience a better place. Interestingly, before you jump into this cloud mining, they instruct you to read through their specific ecosystem guidelines, so it's an accessible entry point to token generation provided you're playing by their rules.
Let's move on to Section 4, global metrics and scale, looking at their self-reported numbers.
So how is all of this translating into real-world adoption? According to the metrics on their site, they currently boast a global user base of over 80,000 individuals. For a platform that just launched in 2021, that's exactly the kind of scale they want to broadcast to show real community momentum.
And they say those users aren't just highly localized either. They claim a presence stretching across more than 65 different countries. They are definitely highlighting an ambition to be a truly borderless financial tool for anyone, anywhere.
When it comes to network performance, which, let's face it, is a massive bottleneck for lots of Web3 platforms, they advertise a 99% high-speed processing metric. Now, they don't give away the deep technical minutia of how they achieve that on this part of the site, but it's presented as a guarantee of fast, reliable transaction finality for all those 80,000 users.
They attribute that impressive speed to exactly 59 distinct pieces of cutting-edge technology powering their systems under the hood. It's a very specific number to market, clearly designed to convey this massive, intricate technological architecture running everything from those mini web apps to Veronica the AI.
Finally, Section 5, the future AV blockchain.
What is next for the AV ecosystem?
This is where we look at where this entire AV ecosystem is actually heading. When you compare their current platform features to their roadmap, a major shift becomes super obvious. Right now, they've got the advanced AI, the mini web apps, and cloud mining. But their roadmap repeatedly teases the release of an AV blockchain with the word soon. That implies they don't just want to be an app suite, they are aiming to become an entire foundational network themselves.
And that brings us to the bigger picture, to wrap up today's explainer. When you look at their blend of personified AI security, these frictionless developer apps, and bold global metrics, it leaves us with an incredibly compelling question. As platforms like Babe Finance promise to fully automate security and integration through AI, will these all-in-one Web3 ecosystems eventually replace our reliance on traditional financial institutions entirely? It's a massive vision they're selling, and it's going to be absolutely fascinating to watch it unfold.